Guys, I am bringing a special phone for you, that is Redmi Note 5 AI edition. In some region it calls the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In this video I will unbox the phone and review the specs and giving you the first impression about this beautiful phone. So guys, this is Redmi Note 5 AI edition. In some region, the Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 5 Pro. What is the difference in between these two? I will talk about this later in this video. So watch my video till the end. And at the side, what we can see, also the brand name at the front and top of the smartphone. And at the side, we have seen the Redmi Note 5 again and global vision. So it means that it have the English ROM and all the Google Play services inside the phone. Let's just quickly on to the specs of the phone. It's powered by Snapdragon 636, which is enough powerful processor and king of the mid-range, and it also powered by the 4000 mAh battery, which is huge and insane amount of battery, and also the AI based cameras and 5.996 inch it's 18:9 aspect ratio, which is newer aspect ratio and taller and the longer one. So guys, it's time to unbox the phone. Here we have, I am going to remove the front lid of the phone, which is very beautiful orange color lid. Yes, right up front we have the device itself, Redmi Note 5, and some of the specs are mentioned on the front sticker that is applied on the phone. What else we have on the back? We have another sticker on the back side, which giving us some warning and some Chinese content. Let's just peel off the front sticker. Here it is. Yes guys, it looks very beautiful and taller phone. Although it's a 6-inch phone, but it's pretty comfortable in the hand, as you can see. Let's just boot up the device. Yes, the Mi logo comes in. What else at the bottom? Let's just quickly check this one. We have the speaker, the micro USB for data syncing and charging, and the 3.5mm audio jack. And at the front we have the IR blaster and the secondary mic for noise cancellation. At the back we have 16 plus 5 megapixel dual camera and the fingerprint scanner at the back side. Now phone is ready to use. So it's very smooth and the screen is looking very punchy and very bright. Color contrast is also very good, as you can see on the phone. Let's just quickly check out this camera. I have placed a perfume bottle underneath my camera. The camera look at the first sight is very good, but I can decide after taking the photo. Yes friend, it captured pretty much detail. So at the first sight I can say the camera is a very good one. And now I'm going to check what else I have in the box. It's the first compartment after the phone, and in this compartment we have the user manual, and thank God it is in English at the both sides. And also TPU case. It's a very soft and it's a very good thing that company is providing this TPU case. And a charger. Let's just quickly have a look on its rating. It's a 5 volt 2 amp hour charger. So guys, there is also a micro USB cable for data syncing and charging, so there is no headphone jack inside the phone. Let's just quickly now how the responsive is this UI. Let's just quickly, yep friend, it at first sight it looks pretty responsive. As you can see, whatever I am opening, it's opening rapidly. Whatever it's a camera or it's a dialer or it's a messaging app, so it's really good. And the UI is, I like the UI very much. The frame rate is very good and the fluidity is very good. Now I'm going to just check the fingerprint scanner. Yeah, as you can see, fingerprint scanner is way too fast than I was thinking. It's a very fast fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the moment I tap the fingerprint scanner, the screen unlocks. That is very good thing for a mid-range smartphone. You know guys, Xiaomi is doing very well. So here are some sample shots that I have taken with this smartphone. As you can see, you know, the details are very much in the pictures. As you can see, I'm showing you the photos that I've taken from this smartphone. It's a very good and impressive one for a mid-ranger. You can see the selfie, it's a portrait one, and this one is also a selfie of my friend, which is portrait one. It's a very beautiful picture. It's a back camera portrait mode. As you can see, it's capturing a very good details. As you can see, video quality is very good. As you can see how quickly it captures the focus. And here are some specs of the phone. As you can see on the screen, it has a good processor, a huge battery, and also the great memory. The battery of the phone can last up to 1.5 to 2 days per single charge. So guys, this is a very good battery. For me, these are the 5-pillar smartphones. Excellent battery, good build quality, good screen, great looks, aggressive price, excellent camera. And guys, this phone have all this quality. So here is the difference between both variants, both edition, AI edition and the Pro edition. As I discussed in the earlier part of the video, guys, AI edition have simply the better camera optics, and also have the latest version of Android, as you can see on your screen right now. In the last, I'm jumping on conclusion. So guys, at this price point, this is the best phone that you can buy, and it's a worth of your money. So I am recommended this phone to you. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and like and comment on the video, and also share the video to your family and friends. Thank you. Take care.